Hello kids, Christina Danish from St. John's High School is here and I prepared a lesson weather for class 2. Let us begin the lesson. Before we study about weather, we should know about seasons. So let me explain season first. As you can see in this picture, there are 4 seasons. When the same kind of weather continues for 2 or 3 months at a time, that period is called a season. Again, I repeat it. When the same kind of weather continues for 2 or 3 months at a time, that period is called a season. Children, there are 4 seasons at different times during the year with the different types of weather. They are summer, winter, spring and autumn. Summer, winter, spring and autumn. So we are starting with the summer. Look at this picture that I have taken from the summer season. Summer is a hot season. It is a transition period between spring and autumn. Summer has 3 months: June, July and August. Now autumn. Look at this picture. In the season of autumn, leaves can change color and falls. As you can see in this picture, the color of leaves and plants are changed in the autumn season. It marks the transition from summer into winter and autumn. Autumn has 3 months: September, October and November. Now winter season. Winter is the season having the short days and long nights with lowest average temperature. There are 3 winter months: December, January and February. Now in the spring, new leaves can be seen on the trees. As you can see in this picture, in the spring season, new leaves can be seen in the trees, the transition period between winter and summer. Spring has 3 months: March, April and May. Spring is very warm and pleasant season. Dear children, the season remains same for 2 to 3 months. Hope you understood about seasons. Now I will discuss the weather and its types. Look at this picture. It is the picture of weathers and its types. So first let me explain the weather. Weather is the state of atmosphere describing, for example, the degree to which it is hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, clean or cloudy. The weather changes nearly every day. There are 5 types of weather. So let's begin from the sunny. Which weather is this? It is a sunny weather. And sunny weather is mostly hot. Sunny days are usually pleasant as most people like doing activities when the sun is up and shining. Cloudy season. Cloudy weather is mostly cool. As you can see in this picture, clouds are often appears with rain, but cloudy days do not equate to rain days. Cloudy means there are more clouds than sun, and entire sky is covered by cloud. Windy weather. Windy is the movement of the air near Earth's surface. As you can see in this picture, windy can be strong, and strong winds might get hurt you. You should not go out in the windy season, okay? Rainy days. Look at this picture. Rainy days. In rainy days, rain is when water falls from clouds in droplets. These tiny droplets then turn into clouds and combine together. They grow bigger and too heavy to stay up there in the air. Now the stormy. A storm is a violent weather. Which weather is this? Storm is a violent weather in which there is a heavy rain and wind due to moisture in the air. A storm marked by strong wind, thunder, and lightning. A storm marked by wind, thunder, and lightning. Now children, the effects of the weather on our lives. So we begin with the summer. The summer effects on our lives. Hot days, we use juices, lassi or light diet. In summer we like to wear light clothes. We like to take more liquids in summer. And we avoid junk food. Now the effects of the winter on our lives. The days start getting cold. That is why we using different types of warm clothes. We wear woolen clothes to keep our bodies warm. Now look at this picture, students. The effect of rain on our lives, especially in these days. Look at this picture. One boy wearing raincoat and two other boys using an umbrella. In rainy days, mostly people use raincoat or use an umbrella. And children, rain is also good for plants' life and the food we eat to survive. And with rain, all the things or everything that we looked around us, for example plants and all the flowers around us, all things looks washed and clean. Now it's your home task. Question number 1 is write the name of the 4 seasons. Number 2, write any 3 types of weather. Number 3, write down 3 activities we do in the summer season. Question number 4, check activities on next slide and do in your social science copy. Activity number 1 is match the objects to the weather and do this activity in your copy. Activity number 2 is label the seasons. Look at this that I have given above the name winter, spring, summer and autumn. You pick these names from here and write under the pictures. This note is for students. You are requested to do your homework or activities in your social science copy. When you resume your classes, marks will be given on the basis of homework or activities you have done in your copies. In the last, students, work from home, stay home and be safe. Thank you.